Imagine if your knowledge, your tone, reasoning, and wisdom could reach people even when you're not around. That's the promise behind Delphi AI. I tested it because honestly, the idea of cloning my mind sounded as fascinating as it did eerie. So does Delphi let you scale your expertise, or does it cross a line? Let's unpack it. Delphi AI bills itself as a platform to create a digital mind, a personalized AI avatar that captures your voice, logic, and knowledge. You feed it your content, videos, newsletters, podcasts, documents, and it learns your style and subject matter. Then it becomes an interactive, always-on presence that can answer questions, coach clients, or just converse like you would. The most compelling thing about Delphi is how seamless it feels to interact with someone's digital persona. Instead of a generic chatbot, you're talking with a clone shaped by real expertise and style. Users like coaches, creators, or celebrities can let their digital mind field questions even while they sleep, without losing authenticity. That scalability is game-changing. Privacy and control are baked into the setup. Delphi emphasizes that your clone preserves your integrity. It won't go off script, and your data stays encrypted and private. It's not just automation, it's automation with ownership. Delphi supports rich interaction formats, text chat, voice calls, and soon video calls, making it feel more like a living extension of yourself, rather than a flat AI presence. For creators, it's also a promising revenue stream. Fans can engage directly with your expertise. Delphi's analytics even reveal what people are asking and when, giving you insights to feed future content. As futuristic as it sounds, Delphi isn't without its limitations. The clone's mimicking quality depends heavily on the content you feed it. Sloppy inputs could skew responses. It's still early stages for nuanced reasoning or emotional depth. Some find interacting with a digital version of someone, especially a public figure, unsettling. It can feel uncanny or even raise ethical questions about impersonation or misrepresentation. And while creators can monetize through clones, Delphi takes a commission, usually between 10–20%, which affects how much value actually goes back to the original expert. Delphi continues to make headlines. Figures like Deepak Chopra and public thinkers are already testing personal clones for Zoom chats or coaching. The startup also just closed a big Series A funding, led by Sequoia and Anthropic's fund, highlighting investor confidence in its vision. Delphi AI transforms personal expertise into an always-on digital presence. It's powerful for creators, coaches, and professionals who want to extend their reach without sacrificing authenticity or tone. But cloning yourself raises ethical questions, and the technology still depends on quality inputs and thoughtful oversight. It may feel uncanny at first, but for those ready to experiment, Delphi opens uniquely scalable ways to connect, teach, and influence. So here's the bottom line. Delphi AI lets you clone your mind, but it's not quite a replica yet. Found this review helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Whose digital mind would you make if you could?